Shout out to our cameraman, the media team of the night. Can you give Chelsea Tutupo a big round of applause, please? Thank you. He's been recording this whole night and he's going to put it up on YouTube. If you guys need any sort of assistance about media, photos, videos about weddings, anything, please search out Chelsea Tutupo. Can we all give him one more round of applause and thank him for his services tonight? So as you guys are getting your dessert, 6 and 7, can you get ready? Once the line goes down, I'm not going to tell you where to go. Whenever you feel like going, go. But you know, just be considerate of people who are behind you and want to watch the performance. But again, this is our second to last performance of the night. And again, I welcome you, Flavor! Before Rob gives us our Samoan dance, if your plate license plate, submitted to model, is JKH181, JKH181. I think it's a black car. If your car is black and your license plate is JH181, JKH181, can you please move the vehicle because we need to go home and sleep for church tomorrow. Alright, so once again, I'd like to welcome Afro and Flavor. What's first my Omega Flavor? Flavor. Atamai, Atamai. and 11. If you want some dessert, the time is now.